Hey guys, it's me, MzTeacherLadi, and my sister.
What up?
We're gonna do a reaction to One Guy, One Screwdriver. Oh my God!
What in the hell?
Oh!
Does that hurt?
Oh my God! Oh!
Does it hurt?
Oh, that get off me!
Don't touch me.
Oh, you said that's so nasty.
What's wrong with this pervert?
Oh, I can't even watch them. Oh, no.
What's wrong with this pervert? Like, did he just want to fuck his dick out?
He want attention, dog. He want attention.
I mean, that's past attention. That's just nasty.
Woo! Good God Almighty, that's nasty. I'm glad we didn't have the sound.
Who you telling? Because you know I got a weak stomach, dog.
Oh, look at them. People are just nasty.
I'm done.